Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof. Take a look at the back of the vehicle. We've got our CLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Look at rear seats next. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And a look at our driver's side here next. Do have power memory seats for driver and passenger. See the controls here. Door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Mileage currently at 69,570. And we have a turnkey ignition. Now here's our Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we've got climate controls, included heating seats, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.